Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, we will talk about supernovas, these stellar explosions which can be among the most spectacular phenomena in the universe. After detailing what a supernova is and how it occurs, we will see the different types of supernovas and especially their impact on the universe. Let's start with the first part. What is a supernova? Supernovas are stellar explosions that can be billions of times brighter than our Sun. They are considered one of the most spectacular phenomena in the universe. Supernovas occur when a star reaches the end of its life and exhausts its nuclear fuel. The latter consists of hydrogen, which is converted into helium by nuclear fusion. This nuclear fusion produces energy that maintains the balance of the star. When the star runs out of nuclear fuel, there is not enough heat and pressure to counteract gravity, which then begins to collapse the core of the star. If the core of the star has a mass less than about 3 times that of the Sun, it becomes a white dwarf that gradually emits its remaining heat until it dies out completely. If the core of the star has a mass greater than about 3 times that of the Sun, it continues to collapse and becomes a neutron star or a black hole, depending on the amount of matter present. We will talk about black holes in a future video. The collapse of the core of the star causes an immense release of energy that expels the outer layers of the star into space in a spectacular explosion, which is called a supernova. But how is a supernova produced? There are 2 types of supernovas, Type 1 and Type 2. Type 1 supernovas are caused by the collapse of a white dwarf, a small star that has exhausted its nuclear fuel. When a white dwarf accumulates material from a companion star, it can exceed its mass limit and collapse into a supernova. But again, there are 2 types of Type 1 supernovas, Type 1a and Type 1b or 1c. First, Type 1a supernovas occur when a white dwarf accumulates matter from a companion star until it reaches a critical mass, causing a thermonuclear explosion. Type 1b or 1c supernovas occur when a massive star loses its outer gas envelope and its core collapses to form a neutron star or a black hole, releasing a spectacular explosion. Let's now look at Type 2. As we said, they are caused by the collapse of a massive star that has exhausted its nuclear fuel and has a core with a mass greater than about 3 times that of the Sun. This collapse occurs in several stages. First, the core of the star collapses under its own weight to form a neutron star or a black hole. This implosion causes a shock wave that expels the outer layers of the star into space in the form of a supernova explosion. Again, Type 2 supernovas are classified into several subtypes. They are grouped according to their spectral characteristics, including Type 2p, which have plateaus in their light curve, and Type 2l, which have a rapid fall in brightness after their initial peak. These supernovas have a large impact on the universe. I present them to you in the next few seconds. Supernovas have significant consequences on the universe that surrounds us. First of all, they are responsible for the production of heavy elements in the universe such as iron, gold, and uranium. Indeed, these elements are created in supernovas when atomic nuclei fuse together under the effect of heat and the enormous pressure generated by the explosion. In addition, supernovas are responsible for the dispersion of these heavy elements in space. When a supernova occurs, it expels matter from the star at incredibly high speeds, creating shock waves that compress the interstellar matter and heat it to extreme temperatures. The heavy elements produced in the explosion are then mixed with this material and dispersed into space, where they can be recycled to form new stars and planets. Supernovas also have an impact on the dynamics of galaxies. The shock waves created by a supernova can compress interstellar matter, triggering the formation of new stars in the compressed regions. In addition, supernovas can eject stars from their home galaxy, creating fast-moving stars that travel through the space between galaxies. Finally, supernovas are important for understanding the universe itself. By observing the light emitted by supernovas, astronomers can measure distances in the universe with great accuracy. Type 1a supernovas, in particular, are used as standard candles to measure cosmic distances and determine the expansion rate of the universe. This discovery led to the discovery of the acceleration of the expansion of the universe, for which 3 scientists were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2011. Let's end this video with some fascinating facts about supernovas. First, supernovas can be used as a kind of cosmic clock. By studying the light emitted during these explosions, scientists can determine how long the oldest stars have existed. Secondly, supernovas are also an important source of gamma radiation, which can be detected by telescopes such as the Fermi Space Telescope. This gamma radiation can help scientists better understand the formation of stars, black holes and galaxies. Thirdly, supernovas can also have dramatic consequences for nearby planets. If it were to occur close enough to Earth, it could cause disruptions in Earth's magnetic field and cause disruptions in electronic systems. Finally, supernovas have inspired many works of fiction, including novels, movies, and television series. For example, the Death Star in Star Wars is supposed to be powered by supernova energy, while the science fiction book, The Ants, by Bernard Werber explores the idea of what would happen if a supernova occurred close enough to Earth. Thus, supernovas are incredibly powerful cosmic events that occur when stars run out of nuclear fuel and explode. These explosions can be among the brightest events in the observable universe. In short, supernovas are fascinating cosmic events that have much to teach us about the universe. By studying these explosions, scientists can deepen their understanding of the formation of stars, galaxies, and the chemistry of the universe. Supernovas are also a reminder of the beauty and power of the universe around us. I hope you enjoyed this video about supernovas. If you did, feel free to leave a like and ask your questions in the comments. I will be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.